Guys, why would you choose to willingly live in a subdivision? That's like the equivalent of wearing some dude's underwear. You're like using the same stuff as everyone else. You're submitting to everyone else's the way they live. Why would you submit yourself to that? Like if I hear one dog barking and I'm opening the window and just like full auto slinging ammo out the window, and you guys are tolerating like people like going into your yard and doing stuff. Someone complained about me cold starting my trucks. Either I'm moving or they're moving. Dadgummit!
Hey, can I follow these up here?
I think he's actually backing up in a minute.
Today is the day that little, I was gonna call it little cum, but
What?
Today's the day that, what do we call her?
Restoration.
Name it restoration?
Oh, no.
No, I have one question. Is everybody ready? Little Sunny is going to the orthodontist today to get her braces removed.
Wait,
Aren't we all excited?
It's a
Look
her?
at that. She's had a long time getting her grill all straightened up, and the braces are about ready to come off. But this orthodontist ain't like the others. So we going to be ramming into stuff for the next 25 minutes. We got some tires that we're going to hit going 40 mile an hour. See how far we can launch them down to the sinkhole. Lil Sunny also has some fat boy steps. So we're going to saws all those suckers off. Not sure what those are for. They're coming off. Lil Sunny still has the fun laps on. We're gonna have to pull those off. Lil Sunny has a little muffy on the exhausty, so we're gonna pull that off now. Over the head somersault. Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Look out! It's gonna come like right for you, really freaking fast. That didn't work.
We forgot a window.
Where's all the water coming from?
The tire.
Oh, good. I thought it was my coolant falling out. I expected him to at least roll.
Did you see that?
Break.
The license plate holder just went boop.
Oh, hey, dude, I didn't even want that on there anyway.
No.
You shall be free. Oh man, that's a lot cleaner. Name is John Cena. You guys can see how freaking clean the paint looks when it's wet. From 15 years of construction, it's kind of rubbed the clear coat a little bit. Clayton here polishing some grill. All the trim here, the adhesive removed after a few hours. The paint is, it kills me how brand new the paint was under those. Got the rear bumper all polished up. That looks brand spanking new. That's not new. The tailgate, we'll probably rip the tailgate off. Yeah, so Clayton's polishing on the bumper here. There's like no better feeling than this right here, because Jason's on his way with wheels. I'm gonna be buffing this while Clayton's polishing that. And by the time we're all working hard on it, it should be like brand new. The transformation on this thing is crazy. Like it was so ugly. Everybody looked at my Instagram picture and thought, why'd he buy that piece of junk? Because it was like old man. It was old man'd out, you know. But if you notice, our tire's hanging off the white line right now. So we don't even really have half of that under the truck. And we have 4 lug nuts on that one. So I feel very comforted. We could drive the wheels off this truck without a problem. Wait, literally. I got these tires on Marketplace. I don't know how I found them. They're brand freaking new. They had like 50 miles on them. Breaking the tailgate. Guys, we got like 2,000 pounds in the bed here, which I guess isn't that much now that I look at it, but it's squatted 6 inches, so we got that whole, we got all the, look at that little buddy right there.
Oh, dude, that's like Frank 2.0. Look at that stacked.
We have 14 hours of work into this. We've been tearing parts off, and it is beautiful now. That's the best this truck has ever looked. I did not expect it to look that good. I'm really glad we went and, well, Jason went and picked up the wheels for us. But it's never been this shiny. It ate up an entire container of wax, like the whole thing. We don't have the lift on yet. I did order a super lift, an 6-inch lift. So we have a 4-inch rake right now. So when we put the 6-inch lift on the front, we should have a 3-inch squat. So it should be just about right, as long as we don't put 3 million pounds of lumber in here again. Well, we polished the grill with aluminum polish. We polished the grill and bumpers. So those turned out really nice. Took out all the tarnish. They hadn't been polished in literally like 20 years, ever since the truck was 16 years. Ever since he got the truck, never polished once. I just wanted to say too, I took the truck by my dad's place and he likes it. So he was happy with everything we did to it. He wishes he got the same wheels. So it's hard to please. He likes he wants it to be functional for work and everything. So, but he liked this. So thanks for watching. Have a great night.